Hey guys, what's up? It's Brendan from WhisperNode here. Today I want to show you guys a tutorial on how to use sSCRT. Really exciting stuff. Today KEPLR announced that they've fully integrated sSCRT functionality. This includes minting, sending and receiving sSCRT right through KEPLR Wallet. Super easy, awesome stuff. This will allow private transactions on the secret network using the sSCRT token. So this tutorial is going to assume that you guys have already followed my previous tutorial or some other tutorial showing you how to set up a KEPLR wallet. So that's all you're going to need is a KEPLR wallet installed on your Google Chrome extension. All right. This tutorial is also going to need that you have secret already in your wallet, in the one you're sending from to pay for transaction fees and things like that, as well as converting secret to sSCRT. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do here is open up our wallet in the Google Chrome extension. I've created this new wallet called Brendan. And you can see here I have sSCRT in that wallet right now. All right. So the first thing that you're going to have to do to interact with this sSCRT contract is create a viewing key. You need to interact with that contract and create that key pairing so you're actually able to view your balance of sSCRT in your KEPLR wallet. Now, the key thing here is that only you have that key and only you can view your balance of sSCRT. No one else on the secret network can view your balance, right? That's totally different than ERC20 tokens on Ethereum, right? Everyone can see your token balance. That's not how it works here on Secret Network. You have a key and only you can see your private balances there. So let's set up that key. How are we going to do that? There's two ways, and I'm going to kind of show you both. So if I go to the KEPLR dashboard website here, wallet.kepler.app / numeric sign / dashboard. Man, that's a mouthful. And I go over to this left side and I click sSCRT. Now remember, I'm already logged into my KEPLR wallet in the extension. When I click that sSCRT tab on that left side there, I get this little pop-up here, and you can see it's telling me I can add a token to my wallet, and it gives me the token address for the smart contract for sSCRT. And you can see it gives me the name, gives me that symbol there of sSCRT, sSCRT, I should say, and the number of decimal places, 6 decimal places, right? So that pop-up came up automatically in the web browser, the dashboard. Let me also show you this other way to create the viewing key that was shown by some of the members of the community previously. So what I would do is copy that token address up here, or you can also get this, asking people in Telegram or the Discord or following those other written guides. But you can get that contract address, and you can go to your KEPLR wallet extension here and go up into this left hand hamburger menu here and click add token, and I'm going to enter that token address in there. All right, same things are going to pop up as you saw previously. So those are just two different ways you can go about creating that key. I'm going to click create key here, and I'm going to set my gas to either average or high just to make sure it goes through. So this is one reason I need to already have secret in my wallet, is because I'm going to have to interact with this smart contract and pay these secret gas fees here. So I'm going to set fee, and you can see it's going to ask me to send a message to that contract. I'm going to click approve. And I'm going to wait a couple minutes. And what that's going to do is then generate this viewing key here, right? And I'm going to click submit. After I click submit, now I should have created that viewing key. So if I go to one of our block explorers. If I go to puzzle.report, for example, I've already got it open up here in my browser. But if I go to puzzle, I'm going to open it up again just to show you guys where to go. Go to puzzle.report here and click transactions. When I click transactions, right, I can see here, this is me right here. This is my wallet, and I executed a contract with that. I interacted with that token address, right? You can see it on the blockchain. That was me creating that key to view my secret balance. So that transaction was a success, right? So now I can view secret, but how do I get secret? How do I mint secret? All right. So how you do that is you go back to your KEPLR web extension or dashboard. Again, go to this left-hand side and go to secret here. And you can see this is my wallet. I'm still signed in to my Chrome extension wallet here. And it's showing I have a secret balance of 6 secret. It's a little bit less than that because I just paid for gas fees, right? So, and you'll have two options here now. I can convert SCRT to secret, or I can convert secret to SCRT. I don't have any secret yet, so I won't be able to do that second option. But let's try to mint secret now. So I'm gonna mint I'm going to send 2 SCRT to that token address, and in return, I'm going to get 2 secret from that token address in my wallet. So I'm going to click convert here. Again, I'm going to choose average fee, set that fee. I'm going to interact with that token address. You can see I'm sending 2 secret to that token address, and it's going to mint 2 secret in return and send that back to me. So I'm going to click approve. All right. And now you can see that my secret balance decreased by 2 there. I'm going to refresh this page. And now you can see that it's showing my secret balance of 2. So my secret balance decreased by 2. My secret balance went up by 2. Great. So now I have secret in my wallet. If I go to that block explorer again here, it looks like a lot of people are interacting with this smart contract right now because it just came out. But my wallet here ends in W2X. So what I want to show here is, if I look for the W2X, here it is, about a minute ago. This transaction here, W2X, that's my wallet. This is me sending 2 secret to that smart contract address and getting 2 secret in return. But what you'll notice here, no balances are shown, right? It just shows that I interacted with that smart contract, but doesn't say how many secret were sent or how many secret were received. And that's because this smart contract is happening in a secure enclave on the nodes on the secret network using Intel SGX, keeping those transactions private, right? That's the key thing about this network. So, all right. Great. I have secret in my wallet. No one else other than me, because I have the viewing key, knows how much secret I have. They know I interacted with that smart contract, possibly, but they don't know how much secret I have. Now let's say I want to send that secret to someone. All right. So what I've done is created a second wallet up here, Alice. So hypothetically now, I want to send Alice, who has no secret currently. She has 1.5 secret in her KEPLR wallet. Again, this is because I want to make sure that I'm able to pay for gas fees. So Alice needs to be able to pay for certain fees. So I wanted to make sure she had some secret in her wallet. I'm going to send Alice those 2 secret. All right. And let's see what that looks like. First thing I'm going to have to do is, again, create that viewing key on Alice's wallet. If I don't do that, let me show you what that looks like, actually. Let's not create that viewing key on Alice's wallet to begin. So I'm going to copy that wallet address for Alice there. I'm going to go back to the wallet where I have my 2 secret. All right, and I'm going to put in Alice's address up here. I'm going to send 2, and I'm going to make sure this drop down says secret, the S secret here. All right, so I'm going to send Alice 2 secret. I'm going to use that average fee and click send. I'm going to click approve to interact with that smart contract. All right, now you can see my tokens down here. That tokens thing disappeared because I now have no tokens in that address. I don't think this one on the left in the dashboard refreshed yet, so I'm going to click refresh there. And there we go. Now you can see I have no secret left in my wallet named Brendan. Okay? So that 2 secret was sent to Alice. And if I go back to that block explorer there, again, you have my wallet Brendan ending in W2X here. It's showing, again, I interacted with that token address, the secret smart contract. But again, it's not showing how many secret I sent. Again, that's the beauty of this secret network. You can see that I interacted with it, can't see the balances. All right, so Alice now has 2 secret in her wallet. So I'm going to go back to her wallet. All right, now nothing is showing up right here. You can see that she has 1.5 secret, but you can't see the tokens. Why can't you see the tokens? Well, because I didn't create the viewing key like we did in the first step of the Brendan wallet. I didn't do that for Alice yet, so she can't see her balance of secret because she doesn't have the key to be able to do that yet. So you need to generate that key. So let's do that for Alice real quick. So again, I'm going to go up to add token. I need to copy the address for the secret contract here. And if I could highlight it, that would be great. All right, copy that address. Go up here to add token. Put that contract address in there, that token address. You can see it populates with the symbol, the name, and the decimals. I'm going to create that viewing key. Click create. Choose average fee. Interact with that contract. Click approve. And it's going to generate that key again. I'm going to click submit. And you can see the 1.5 secret balance decreased for the gas fees. And you can see that once I created that viewing key, now Alice is able, not me, I guess, but now Alice is able to see her 2 secret tokens in her wallet now that she has that viewing key. All right, great. So it looks like that transaction went from my wallet, Brendan, to Alice, sending 2 secret tokens, and no one was able to see any of those balances, any of the amounts that were sent, other than Bob and Alice, who had the viewing keys on their wallet. All right. So now let's say Alice wants to convert those secret in her wallet to regular secret. How would we do that? All right. So I would be signed into my Alice wallet here. I'm going to go back to my KEPLR web extension, click secret secret. So this is now showing the details for the Alice wallet here, not the Brendan wallet. And you can see the balances for Alice. And I'm going to convert secret secret to regular secret. So I'm going to convert 2. All right. So click convert. And I'm going to set that fee to average. Approve that interaction with the smart contract. And I'm going to open up the web extension just so you can see it in there as well. You can see in the web extension over here on the left, my secret balance for Alice has now increased by 2, and the secret balance has decreased by 2. And you'll see the same thing in the Chrome extension wallet over here. The little tokens tab on the bottom has now disappeared because there's no tokens in there. And the available secret has increased by 2 here. So it looks like that interaction worked as well. If I go to my block explorer again, I'm going to refresh that. This is me right here, this wallet ending in ZDF, I believe. Let's double check that. Yep. So this Alice wallet ends in ZDF. This transaction here is the Alice wallet interacting with the smart contract address, right? But again, Alice converting her 2 secret back into secret does not show on the block explorer. No one sees the balances that Alice is converting here. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you're going to create a viewing key on your wallet to view your secret balances. Remember, you can view it if you have that key, and only you can view it with that key. No one else on the secret network can view it. You're going to be able to mint secret, send secret, receive secret, and then convert secret back into regular secret. So we kind of went through all of that on this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If there's anything I've missed, let me know. I'm around in Telegram. I'm around in Discord. Feel free to send me an email as well. Again, that's Brendan at Whispernode. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.